Hello viewers, welcome back to Renka Kitchen. In today's video we are going to be making tasty grilled mackerel fish. The ingredients are garlic, oil, ginger powder, stock cubes and lemon. You can either grate the garlic or you blend it with oil. You can also choose to use garlic powder. What I have in this plate is just ginger powder and nut cubes. I'm going to be adding the lemon. Add a little oil. I'm making use of 2 tablespoons. Kindly make an incision on the fish. I'm going to be rubbing the marinate on the fish. For you to have a good taste of this fish, you have to make sure that you rub this marinade very well on the fish. I'm going to be allowing it to marinate. At this stage, I'm going to be putting it in the fridge just for 1 hour. After about an hour, I'm going to be putting it in the oven, but I've already preheated the oven. Kindly place the fish on the oven rack. Onions comes in now. Because I want to get the taste of the onions, that's why I'm adding it now. Onions gives it more flavor, so I always prefer to add onions at this stage. I'm going to be grilling this fish for 35 minutes in the oven. The tasty mackerel fish is ready. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. This is the best way to enjoy this fish.